Feeling rustic, feeling glam. Hey everyone, it's Michelle and I just got something very exciting in the mail. It's the Dominique Cosmetics Rustic Glam palette. Once I saw this teased, I knew I would be getting it. I have all of her other eyeshadow palettes. Latte and Berries and Cream are two of my favorites. Lemonade is good too, but those other two, woo! So I'm hoping that this one lives up to those. So let's slide the unicarton off. This packaging is so pretty. All right, let's open her up. Gypsy came broken. That's sad. Broken shade aside, it's beautiful. I'm gonna have to call Sephora though. Anyway, still gonna review the palette. Let's go through and swatch them all. Why not? So first up we've got Fringe, Evil Eye, and Free Spirit. They feel very nice. So Fringe, Evil Eye, Free Spirit. Then we'll do Cactus, Dreamcatcher, and Wildflower. Okay, and then we've got Suede, Bohemian, and Desert Queen. Suede, Bohemian, wow. Desert Queen. Then Wonderlust, Moonchild. I'm gonna be super careful with this one. I'll just tap my finger in. Gypsy. So pretty. Now I just have to try to figure out what I'm gonna do. Okay, I'm gonna prime my eyes, then I'll zoom you guys in and I'll be right back. All right, y'all are gonna have to bear with me because this thing is broken. I think I'm gonna start by going in with the shade Fringe. If there's one thing to say for Dominique Cosmetics, her mattes are stellar. This is a really great transition shade for my fair skin tone. It's definitely deeper on the skin than I thought it would be, but I'm not mad at it. Using the same brush, I'm gonna go in with the shade Cactus. Looks green in the pan, and when I swatched it, it looked green. It's almost kind of a teal. Still really pretty. Again, just not what I was expecting. Still using Cactus, I'm just going in with a skinnier blending brush. Yeah, this shade is really pretty. I'm gonna go in next with Suede. Wow. That is one pigmented brown. Okay, I don't know what shape I want to go for yet, but I am going to put some concealer on the lid. ColourPop shade 00. This makes it feel like I'm putting white out on my eye. I think I want to cover the entire lid. Alright, I'm going back into Cactus. Just taking a clean blending brush. Right, going back in with Suede. I'm having more difficulty blending Suede into Cactus than I thought I would. Not a deal breaker, just weird. I'm gonna go in with Wonderlust. I'm gonna start packing it on at least the inner portion of my lid. And this is where we're gonna cross our fingers because the shimmers in Latte and Berries and Cream are amazing. And Lemonade, they're a little harder to work with. Oh yeah. Perfect. Perfect. That is what I want to see. I may have gotten a little carried away with that shade, but it is just so pretty. Next, I'm going to go in with Bohemian. I'm not going to lie, I'm not liking how this is turning out, so I'm going to go in and see if I can't clean up a little bit. Going back in with Fringe. Okay, going back in with Wonderlust. I'm almost done, I can feel it. I'm going to stamp Cactus in the outer corner. So the palette is performing well. My issue is I did not blend Cactus, I don't think, exactly where I wanted it because I thought that I was going to be covering a lot of it up with that brown shade, Suede, and that just did not happen. So no big deal. Now I just have to fix my mess. Okay, I'm gonna take a little break from my eyes, start putting some face on, and I'll be back for the lower lash line. Alright guys, sorry, I had to put my hair up. I was burning alive. I'm gonna go in and mess with the lower lash line now. I'm gonna take my old friend Suede. Okay, I'm gonna go in with Cactus again. I'm just gonna blend them together. Okay, I'm gonna pop on an inner corner highlight, brow bone highlight, and mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, this is the finished look. What do we think? I think it turned out really good. I was struggling there for a minute, but that was totally on me and not the palette's fault. The mattes blended awesome. The shimmers are so beautiful. I wish my one shade wouldn't have come broken, but again, not the palette's fault. Do you need it? I don't know. I feel like I needed it. I love it. I love it. Her quality is just bomb, and the color story is beautiful. The whole rustic glam thing, I guess I need to read up more on that because I don't really understand why it's called rustic glam, but whatever. I'm really happy to have it, and I give it a total A+ from me. Woo! Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Are you gonna get rustic glam? Did you already get rustic glam? What do you think? Please let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't like this video, I tried. I love you guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye!